Days after the death of dancehall entertainer Merciless, the family issues warning about fake GoFundMe page that has been launched. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The family of late dancehall veteran Merciless is advising the public that they have not set up a GoFundMe account for the entertainer and will not be creating an account of such. In a message shared through Merciless' official Instagram page, the family further warned the public that they should not contribute monies to any account that is created for Leonard Merciless Bartley attached to it. Last week, the dancehall fraternity was plunged into mourning following the sudden passing of dancehall veteran DJ Merciless, who was found dead at a motel in Beechwood Avenue, St. Andrew, 18 days after he celebrated his 51st birthday on July the 1st. Last night, a candlelight vigil was held in Clarendon, 4 parts to be exact, where the dancehall pioneers and his fans turned out in order to show their respect and support for the late veteran DJ.